Hey yeah guys, welcome to Repair Works channel. So today we have access, we have to change the screen. So today we are going to change the screen of XS Max, sorry XS. So I already opened the bottom screws and I already heat the screen. So without wasting more time, so let's do it. So first we're going to put a blade on the bottom section so we can pull out the screen. Be careful. Look, the screen is little bit flip out, so now we are going to use a pencil that can fit in the bottom of the screen. Now I am just taking it out, and just be careful because there is a flexes on the right side of the screen, so you just need to be careful when you are trying to pull out the screen from the body. So here is it, here I am opening it. So here is, you can see there's a face ID as well, so you just need, when you're trying to open the pencil, you have to be careful for that. Yes mate. So guys, you can see you just need to be careful because on the top one is the face ID. So before, once you put the pencil inside, you just need to be careful. Okay, you can see here the flex is on the right side, so you have to flip your phone from the left side. Here is it. So now I am going to put some support so your screen not get damaged by fall, not take will fall damage. So now we have to open the phone. So there are 3-star screws, so we are going to use 3-star one. So now we are going to pull up this plate. So here is it. First we have to disconnect the battery. So batteries, I think, already disconnected. Yeah, no, here is the battery. So I disconnect the battery now. Now we are going to take off the screen. So the screen flex is here, 1 2. The screen is disconnected. Now we are going to disconnect the face ID. So first we have to check where is face ID screen. So here I disconnect the face ID here. So here is the screen. Now we are going to work on the screen. First we have to take off the face ID. So there are 3-star, 3-star and 3-star on the top side. So here I'm going to open the screw. Here is it. So the top one now. And the corner one. So now be careful. Sometime, look, the face ID now stick with the screen. So for that process you have to heat up your screen with the using of heat gun. Once you done, then you can easily pull out your screen. First you have to, look, now I'm going to heat up the screen. So once it's done I will let you know. Okay guys, I heat up the screen now I'm going to pull out the face ID. Look, it's how easily I can take it out the face ID now. So now we are going to change with new screen. So here is my new screen. So first we have to take off this thing. Okay, the face I already have this port, so we are going to take off that one. so we don't need that one. Here is it. So with the old one we can use that one, and we're going to use that one. So guys, so here is it. So now we are going to type the Face ID. So here we go, the top one. Now one last screw. So here we go, it's done. Now we're going to attach our screen. First you have to connect with battery so your phone get powered, and this is the all check all the flexes are attached. Now we are going to attach our screen again, put some support here. So first we have to connect Face ID. So Face ID is connected. Now the second flex is attached. Now the last one.
Excuse me, buddy. I want to ask you one more.
So all flexes are attached now. First we have to check. Now I am going to turn it on the screen. This phone is out of charge, so first we have to put on charge, so automatically turn it on. We got our display right now, so we're going to wrap this phone now. So here I'm going to tight every screw. Okay guys, XS and X series phones have same process to replace this display, so you will not get any confusion. So this phone is X. In the start I thought is a XS, so it's my big mistake, so sorry for that. So here's it. Now I am going to wrap this phone. So guys, you have to be careful. First you have to wrap. When you're going to wrap your phone, first you have to pull the screen like that, fit like that. Now you can top to go to bottom section. Okay, so here we go. And one more thing, when you are trying to close your phone, you can see here there is some sport go outside, so you just need to be careful and fit it according to your phone body. So here is it. So I am going to again top and going to bottom side. Here's one more problem. So I am going to close this phone. So here is go. Now I'm going to push it a little bit inside, and here we go. Your phone is done, and I just put on charging as well. So for that moment the phone gets working perfectly fine. But first you have to tie the bottom screws for that. So here we go. Okay, and the last one. So here we go, this one is done. Now we're going to our charging wire so we can check it, is it working or no. So here we go, the phone is turned on. So this is the way you can fix replace the screen of iPhone X and XS, and this is the same project for XS Max. In future, if I get the phone, definitely I will share the video with you, and anything else, if you have any further suggestion, just let me know, do some comments and like, so it gonna be help for me. So guys, thank you so much.